In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an HVAC blend door actuator on a Honda CR-V. It is located underneath the left side of the dashboard. We're underneath the driver's side of the dashboard. You have a trim panel here with a clip. Turn your clip to the left, pull down, and remove that trim panel. We're underneath, just to the right of your gas pedal. This is your blend door actuator. This is the part that we're going to be replacing. A couple of screws. You have one here, and one here. They're all 7mm screws or Phillips. You can start by taking these two screws out first, because this one is a little bit harder to get to. You can unplug it now before you take that last one out. There's a tab on the back side of this that you want to push in and then pull towards the right. That's the tab that you push down. Your top screw is a little hard to get to. You're going to have to unplug this module in your gas pedal plug. The gas pedal plug has a plug on the back side. You want to push that in and pull up. That's the tab right there. Your module has a clip, this white clip here. You want to pull down and swing. That will swing down like that. Unlock it, and then you just pull straight down, and you can put that off to the side. You can take your 7mm socket, put it on a swivel. And remove your top bolt. Then your blend door motor actuator just comes straight out towards you. When installing your blend air door motor, you have a notch in the gear right here, and you also have a tab. You have to line the tab up with that notch. Like that. Now this is going to want to spin, but this is not going to. So once you line that up, you can swing your blend air door motor to your left. So line it up like that and swing to your left and line up your screw mounts. Install your screws. You can tighten those two screws, that way you don't have to hold the blend door motor while you're trying to install your third one and plugging it in. You can install your motor now if you would like. Wait for the click. And now you're ready to install your third and last screw. Now you can take your connector, connect it back to your module. Push it in, slide the white clip up, take your gas pedal connector, reinstall that. Now you're ready to install the cover underneath. This tab goes into this hole, this clip goes into this hole here, and this goes into that. Clip, turn.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.